The other thing I've learned from China is the way China has tackled corruption. President Xi Jinping's, one of his biggest crusade has been against corruption. And from what I hear, correct me if I'm wrong, that some 400 people, ministerial level people in the last 5 years have been convicted on corruption and put behind jail. And then, you know, I read in the papers, now I don't know whether it is true, that there was a Chinese mayor who, tons of gold was found in his room. And within 5 days he was convicted. So, why is this very important for not just Pakistan, but most of the developing world to learn from? Because the most important thing is, if you have corruption, it stops investment. Corruption is one of the biggest impediments in investment coming into your country. The reason, one of the main reasons why we have not been able to develop this great potential of Pakistan has been the fact that red tapeism, and red tapeism is also because of corruption.